Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can link your Bungie.net account with your Twitch. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, here you can see I'm on my website and I'm logged into my account. So from here, you can simply click on your profile icon right here. And then from here, simply click on settings. So after doing that, on the left side here, if you scroll down here, you can get the option of account linking. Simply click on this one. And after doing that here, you can now see we have the Xbox option, Steam option, and Epic option in order to link our account. If you scroll down a bit, we can get the Twitch option right here. So in here, all you have to do is simply click on the link account option, just like this, and we'll get to this particular login link from where you'll have to now write down the username of your Twitch account and the password of your Twitch account. So here you can see I have already done that. And after writing down your username and password, all you need to do is simply click on login and log into your Twitch account. So after doing that here, you can see Bungie.net wants to access your account. So what you're going to do is simply scroll down and then click on authorize in order to authorize Bungie.net to your Twitch account. So after doing that here, you can see it says that I'm about to link with my Twitch account. So all I need to do is simply write down my username in here. Just like this, after writing down my username, simply click on confirm linking. And just like this, here you can see I have now successfully linked my Twitch account with Bungie.net. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.